Stay on trend by doing the not everything can be an album cover trend. Here's how. First, open your TikTok account and search
Proof
not
that not
everything
everything can be an album cover. Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
By pressing this,
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
just press the button and this
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
And here, you'll be asked to upload 4 videos with 3 seconds length each. What I'll do now is take random videos of my room which I later on add on the template. You can also take videos before opening your TikTok or your CapCut to make things easier and faster. Here, you'll just see me taking videos of stuff in my room, but you can take videos of your friends, of the nature, or whatever is around you. The more random the videos you take, the better because this is exactly the point of the TikTok trend. Once you're done taking the videos, just go back to your CapCut application and choose the videos that you want to include in your video. Also, do take note that the videos have to be more than 3 seconds because if not, CapCut won't be able to upload it and add it to the template. So you'll see here that I'm just choosing other videos aside from the one I took earlier. And then once you're done choosing all the videos, just click the preview icon at the bottom right part of your screen.
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
After editing, just press export and you'll have the option to save it to device with CapCut watermark or save and share it to TikTok to remove the watermark. That's all for this video. Don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification button.
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.